So actually I am lost this morning and I found this place. I don't know where I am. I think I'm so far away from my hotel, but I will try to get back to the mosque and then I'll find this place. Look at that. So many birds here. Actually, this is one of my amusements when I get lost. If I have time before go back to Indonesia, I'm gonna play here, I think. I think this is the biggest area of the birds and the most area with the birds. I don't know how to say it in English, by the way. I even forget my English. Okay, let's think about playing here one day. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. MashaAllah. I'm gonna stay in the middle of this area. And then all of the birds, just like that man, look at that. He is in the middle of the area and all of the birds just fly away through him. And that is the way to Masjidil Haram. You cannot see the tower from here, but this is the tower. Oh no, oh, this one. Look at that. That's the tower. So officially I am behind the tower where my hotel was, in front of the tower. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I'll see you later.